ASA Firewalls Basic Configuration ASA 8.3 Plus Config NAT Access List. Actually, I decided to show you how we can upgrade our ASA. To remind you, that was our topology. In the previous video, we created this DMZ. We allowed telnet from the outside world, and that was running 8.0. We are here. It is 8.0. Let me save it. I uploaded 2 images. Let me show you that. There is a new ASDM, which is 7.1, and image, where is it? This one, 832. We want this one to be our image, and we'll see how ASA manages to convert our NAT rules. See if it works, how it works. We'll see. Before we move on, it's always a good idea to check if it still works. I think I should be able to, yeah, I can still telnet to it. That's good. Yeah, I can still telnet to my DMZ from the outside world. That's good. What we have to do, we have to tell our ASA that we want to use another image now. We want to use this guy. Okay, let me check if there is show run include ASDM. Yeah, it points to this guy. That's not good. Let's remove it. Good. And we want to use, let me connect to the console, and we should be able to see that. That's ASA1. Here we go. Show flash. We want to use this guy. ASDM image flash. Okay. Looks good. Show boot. Let's reload it. Yes, let's kill it. And see how it goes. It's done. It claims, well, NAT was okay. We should be fine. Let's check it then. We'll have to update our ASDM launcher here. It will suggest. I hope. Not a good sign. Let's see if I can ping it. 192.168.2.1. Yes, I can ping it. Cannot ASDM. Oh yeah, I can. No, I cannot. Oh, here we go. Took a while. That should do the trick. Let it load. I will connect to router 3, our DMZ. That's the best way to check if we can ping the internet, right? 192.168.2. Was it the correct IP address? Yeah, I think so. Well, as you can see, I cannot ping the internet. Not everything went in a way we expected. We were able to ping this IP address before, now we cannot. Let's see what's wrong. Yeah, that's fine, go away. Let's use this guy and see what's wrong. Okay. Let's try router 1, because I think it is a NAT issue. 192.168.2.110. No, it's not 110. Well, it is. Yeah, there is an IP address like that. .2. Well, I can ping that one. Maybe it's just an IP address. Sorry, Cisco. Maybe it's my fault. That is router. That's this one. 192.168.2.102. Yes, sorry, Cisco. Right, okay, it did work. Let's take a look. What has changed? Of course, ASDM is better. 8.3, ASDM 7.1. In the configuration, what you will see here in the firewall, you will notice that let's get rid of that actually. Go away. You will see that the outside is private and is translated to 192.168.2.3. This is a private IP address that is allowed. In the NAT rules, you will see NAT object. If you want to create a new one, you do it like that. You specify a name. Let's create a test rule for, let's say for router 1, let's allow telnet as well. Okay, but this time we'll use path. Name, allow telnet router 1. Host 10.2.2.11, and here we want to use the outside from inside to outside 23. Yeah, it is created in a different way. It's an object. You create a NAT rule under an object. You specify your host to 11, is it correct? Yeah. And then you say from inside to outside, do port address translation 23. Then you go to access rules, and here, from any, I'm okay with that, and destination, the easiest one is to point to that guy. What do we want to allow? Telnet. Okay. .192.168.2.1, and I am connected. Okay, we should see some hits on this access list in a moment. which one was the second one? Yeah, if we refresh or wait a few seconds, we should see some hits on this access list for router 1. Well, ASDM decided to remove the hits. As you can see, it's every 30 seconds we should see that. I'm pretty sure you saw that there was one. It's working. It means it is fine. Again, NAT. You have your standard NAT. It's here. No, that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Where you can just match and add a rule like that. Cisco say, of course, use network object NAT rules. Now, that's the preferred method. Whereas our dynamic NAT rule, it's still here, but it's not the same. Take a look. When we open, it created a name like that, and then it specified the network and said dynamic paths. It means hide my private IP addresses for me. Just to confirm, we can see 2 hits on this rule. Okay, that was more interesting than I expected. We upgraded our ASA from 8.0 to 8.3, and that went very well. Then we added an object NAT rule, and we allowed telnet to router 1. Thank you very much.